Hello guys, good morning. I hope you are doing well. So welcome to my new vlog. Today I am going to visit a memorial place which is located between Budanpur and Godam village. So uh, let's see what all things are inside. So let's explore together. So yeah, I am here and you can see this is the entrance gate where I am gonna inside. So before going any god place or temple, you have to uh, put off your shoes and slippers and in a well. And now I am entering, so you can see, look at this view. Wow. So it has a lot of hibiscus plants, flower, and here's a one sculptures like horse, and its name is the Kana Baba. I don't know why the people are saying it place Kana Baba. Uh, I have listened, I have heard in my childhood days the one person is present Kana Baba, and their tomb is there. So that's why the people are saying its place is Kana Baba. And oh, one more thing is the Bargad tree. I don't know what is called in English, the Bargad tree. So yeah, you can see, and in this time, there is no people are present, but one more thing is present here, the Dan Peti. If you want to contribute any amount, so you can drop inside, and yeah, and in this place, the one event is keep celebrating on 17 August. If you want to become the part of this event, so you can definitely join, and the 27th January, which is the Vishkarma Puja. So yeah, and you can see, if you have time, so you can spend your time. And some people are living in the summer time. Right now it's summer time, so many people are keep coming here to spend their time, because after 2 a.m. light has gone. So that's why they don't have any place where they can spend their time, and they can feel relaxed and calm. So that's why they are keep coming here and they are spending their time. So yeah, I'm also, if I will take if I did if I will take a day off, so that's why I will also keep coming, because I'm working somewhere. I don't have too much time for this type of work. And you can see the beauty of the Jai Kana Baba. If you want to visit, so you should definitely come here, and you can spend your time with your friends. And they, the people are considering him as a god, like a god. So if you have any uh, expectation from anywhere, if you are looking for a job, this kind of thing, if you are considering, so they are asking them, yes, if मेरा काम में पूरा हो गया तो मैं आपको 2 किलो लड्डू चढ़ाऊंगा. This type of mentality we have, and I have get a good result. Before, I was also asking for him like this. So yeah, I would like to say he's a good place. If you want to explore your time, if you want to spend your good quality time with your family, with your friends, so you should definitely come. And one more thing, some people are giving him wine. I don't know why, but they are giving, and they have their own consideration. I don't want to interfere in their consideration. So yeah, and its renovating work is running now, so it's not fully completed. You can see the pillar are builded, and it's also painted, but it's not fully completed. So yeah, so this is the place, a beautiful place. If you want to come here, so you can definitely come. And no has bounded, no need to take entry fees, nothing. It's totally free. If you have time, so you can definitely come here and spend your time. And I would like to suggest one thing. If you want to come here, so you should come 16 August, because it's celebrate our own event. And if you are coming at that time, so we feel the good outcome, good result, and good interesting thing here come. And Yeah, so you can see the well. I'm too interested to you can hear the sound is feel to relax if you are the Hindu. I don't know Muslim is how can they expect this loud. I don't know why, but yeah. So you can see this is the place, and it's a beautiful place which is present in my hometown. And the in my hometowns people also keep coming here to क्या बोलते हैं उसको चढ़ावा मतलब पूड़ी सब्जी चढ़ाने के लिए पूड़ी लपसी चढ़ाने के लिए आते हैं सो माई मॉम एंड माई विलेज पीपल आल्सो कीप कमिंग हियर एंड यू कैन सी ब्रो yesterday I didn't filming myself because yesterday I was too much ill and one more reason I this is not exception and I ported my sim in Geo to Voda and at yesterday I didn't have a network, that's why I couldn't upload my vlog yesterday vlog. So maybe I could be upload two vlog today. uh, I don't know why, but yes. So you can see the beauty of my village. So it's a good place according to me. If you will come here, if you have a lot of problem, lot of running in your mind, so you can feel relaxed here because the people are the people who is coming here with a lot of problems and they gone up after they going the relax mode. So yeah, this type of mm, things are present here. So I am Brijesh Prasad Maurya, and one more thing, the people are also thinking that why I am filming my blog in English. They don't know why. Because I want to improve my English as well as I want to improve my public speaking. So, if you want to become a good English speaker and if you want to become a public speaker, then you should start this journey something like this. So, I have been using these things before 6 days. So, I have uploaded my blog on my Facebook, YouTube, and I didn't upload in my Instagram. I would be uploaded after some time on my Instagram. So you can see how much I have changed through this way. So if you are feeling something like that, if you are want to do something like that, so you can personally DM on and you can leave a comment in the comment section. I will proper guide you. I know I am not a tutor, I am not a teacher, but that I have learned, I will definitely make you understand. And if you are considering my things, so you can definitely start with a new journey, with a new energy. So yeah, we should do that we want. It doesn't matter what would be happen. It's good, it's going good or not, because I have seen uh, in my videos doesn't have the good viewer, because I don't know why, because I don't have the good content, or I don't know how to uh, edit my videos. I don't know which is my mistake, but it doesn't matter. My channel, my video is going good or not. It doesn't matter, but I am improving myself. This is the important for the everyone. If you are learning something, you are doing something against them, so you can definitely grow in that field. Without doing anything, so how can I expect that you can grab a good knowledge and you can do something special for you and for your friends, for your family. So yeah, we have to think about it and be with me. If you are enjoying my videos, so you should definitely leave a comment. I think the people are not leaving a comment. I don't know why. I have seen just one thing. The my relatives, my friends are not doing comment in the comment section. I don't know why. I don't want to talk to them anything, but don't take it personally, bro. I'm just I'm just seeing on my comment section, and please, bro, leave a comment. What could be happen if you leave a comment? So yeah, bye bye. See you soon in the next vlog. Be with me if you want to learn something from my video. So